Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a SSH key in cPanel and connect it with FileZilla to access your website files. Let's get into the video without wasting any time. First step, log into your cPanel account. On the search bar, search for SSH Access. Click the SSH Access button to open it. On the SSH Access settings page, you can see the option Manage SSH Keys. Click the option and open it. On the settings, you can see the two options Generate a new key and Import key. We are going to use the SSH key for the first time, so choose Generate a new key option and open it. In this page, you can see the key name ID_RSA. Don't change it, it have to be in the default format. Next option, key password. If you want to use your own password, please enter it, or you can generate the default password by using password generator option. Once you click the option, the new tab for password generating will be opened. Copy the password that shows in your screen and please save it in safe place like Notepad. Once it's done, please click the tick box and use password button. It will automatically enter your password. Next one is a key type. Key type have to be defaultly in RSA and key size have to be in the 2048 size. Once done, click the generate key option. Once you click the generate key, your private key will be automatically generated. Now please click the go back option. On the settings page, you can see that public key and private key have been generated, but you can see that the authorization status is showing not authorized. Keys have to be authorized to use. To make it happen, that click the manage option and go in. Now you can see the authorized button. Click the authorized button. Yes, now you can see that the key is authorized. Go back and check it. Now you can see that the authorization status shows authorized. Next, we are going to download the PPK file to connect it with FileZilla and to use it. For that, click the view and download option in the private keys. Now you can see the download key option, but we need the PPK format. For that, we need to convert the private key to PPK format. If you scroll down, you can see the option to convert ID_RSA key to PPK format. On this place, please enter the password that you have stored in the notepad safely. After that, click the convert option. Now you can see the key has been successfully converted to PPK format. Click the download key button. Now your PPK format file will be downloaded. Once the download process for the SSH key has been done, open the FileZilla app. FileZilla will look like this in default. On the top left corner, click the file button and open the site manager settings. Now you can see that nothing has been configured here. Click the new site option to configure your new site. On the right side, change the protocol from file transfer protocol to SSH file transfer protocol. Now fill the host name with your domain name. On the port number, please enter your port number. The default SSH port number is 22. If the port number 22 is not working, please contact your hosting provider and get your default port number to continue with the process. Now please change the logon type from normal to key file. On the user, please enter your domain's username, as it's the same username that you are using to log in cPanel. For the key file option, we need to select the PPK file that we have downloaded from the cPanel SSH option. Navigate the file and select it. After entering all the required details, click the connect option to connect. Now it will ask for the confirmation to connect. Now click the tick box always trust the host and click OK. Now it will ask for the password. Please enter the password that you have stored safely in the notepad. Once done, please click the OK button. That's all friends. Now you can see that the website's file manager has been connected to FileZilla. Now you can access your website's files without any issues. If the video helps you, kindly like, comment and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel.